Hi everybody, it's Jazz Hands. Hey guys, it's Ariel and welcome to my YouTube channel, Makeup at Ariel's. If it is your first time here, then welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell just to get notified every time I post. And if it is not your first time here, welcome back, one of my 87 subscribers. I love you all so much. So today I really wanted to sit down and film this like pink halo look just because I've been seeing a lot of people post like pink eye looks and I obviously weirdly get inspired by the shirts I wear. So I put this on this morning. It's just turned 8 a.m. like in 2 minutes. So I've been sitting here for like an hour and a half doing this makeup look because it doesn't take me this long on the usual, but you know, filming and setting up and yes. Anyway. So I really wanted to just play with some pink colors, especially before I have a bunch of new products because yesterday I bought a lot online and I'm so excited because that means that we are going to be doing a whole entire product review for some of these new products that I got, and then also more tutorials because more colors and more products, and I'm so excited. Anyway, so I'm super excited for this look and I hope that you guys are too. So if you want to see how we accomplished this look right here, let's keep on watching. Good morning, beautiful people of YouTube, or at least it was when I started this tutorial. So let's just get right into it. For primer today, I used this little baby version of the Benefits Professional Primer and just massaged that into my clean and extremely tired skin. Then for foundation, the first one that I'm going to be using today is the MAC Next to Nothing Face Color in the color Medium. And then the Maybelline Fit Me foundation that I obviously cannot put on without making a mess. And to this day, I honestly don't even know where that dollop of foundation went. Like, I looked at my clothes and looked around. I don't know. I just don't know. But I obviously am blending that with my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. You know, it's pretty self-explanatory, as you can see. You just massage it, you hit your face a couple times, you call it a day, you know? Next, to set my face, I tried out the NYX Professional Makeup HD Studio Finishing Powder for the first time, and I tried to put this on with my Real Techniques sponge that I usually do and bake with that, but I've learned that this is definitely a brush product. It did for the day, don't get me wrong, but I definitely prefer this with a brush. But with that, I'm just setting under my eyes, on my chin, and my forehead as well, just to kind of bake it for a little hot second. Okay, and just like magic, for our next step, we're gonna go ahead and magically just pop on some eyebrows. Oh, if only this was easy, folks. But for our next step, we're gonna go ahead and hop into the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer that smells literally like chocolate. If you have not tried this bronzer, I 100% recommend it. It is so amazing. It smells beautifully. It's a great bronzer. And I'm applying that with my crown brush, and I'm just going to sculpt out my cheekbones, my jawline, the sides of my forehead, sides of my nose, and then also under my lip that you'll see in a bit, hopefully, just to kind of give the effect of a poutier lip. And then for blush, I'm going to go ahead and use the Blush Crush by Lottie London. On my Luxie 514 blush brush. Obviously, you know the drill. You just put them on the apples of your cheeks and bring it back towards your temples. Then with my Pro Airbrush Sephora 55 brush, I went ahead and wiped off all of that setting powder that I had on earlier and really just blended in all of the powders together. So now we're going to hop into eyes, and I'm using one of my favorite colors by The Balm Cosmetics. It's the Meet Matrimony Marriage Material with my Luxie 227 blending brush. So for the halo effect, I'm going to be putting this color on the outer V of my eye and then also the inner V of my eyelid, because that's the whole point. We want to make those two portions of our eyelids the darkest and the center of our eyelid the lightest. So that is just like the main thing you got to keep in mind while trying to achieve this look. Then going into my Kat Von D Maybe the Loca palette with the color Destroyer on my SL Miss Glam L50 brush. I'm going to go ahead with that red color and just kind of blend it out. You can see it's super messy right now, and that's okay. A lot of the makeup looks that I do start off messy and then somehow end up nice by the end. You just pray that it happens that way. Then with my Lorac Behind the Scenes eye primer, I'm just gonna go ahead and put that right in the middle of my eyelid. That's what I was talking about. You want that to be the lightest. And now for the main event with my Milani Fierce Foil Eyeshine palette, I'm gonna go ahead and use that like rose gold color that you can see right there and pop that into the middle of my eyelid. As you can see, it is so shiny. It literally, I don't think the camera does it justice. It just reflects light so beautifully. And I just applied that with my clean finger. Then going back into my other darker colors that I went into earlier, the Meet Matrimony one, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it out, make it a little bit darker because we really wanna make sure that we get that halo effect going for us. Then for our under eyes, we're gonna go ahead and hop into my little Smashbox brush. And with that same Meet Matrimony color, we're gonna go and pop that on the lower lash line. I love putting any shadow on the lower lash line that evens out the heaviness from the top. Then with my e.l.f. liquid eyeliner, we're gonna go ahead and line our eyes just a little bit, not too crazy. We don't wanna take away from the eye look itself. We just wanna make sure that our eyes pop a little bit more. And just pray to the heavens that they're even. This is what I do every morning before I do my eyeliner, to be honest. Then we're gonna go ahead and coat our upper and lower lashes with any mascara that you like. Use your favorite, use your least favorite. This one's not my favorite, so I'm not mention it. But I'm just putting it on so that I can blend my natural lashes into the fake lashes that I'm gonna be putting on in a second. And today I used the Ardell Professional Wispy Lashes. Then I went ahead with one of my little favorite body tanning things. I don't know what this is actually called, but it's called Do the Hula by Benefit. And I just went ahead and blended that out with my Luxie 660 Precision Foundation brush. And I just did this to even out the tanness from my body to my face. It is summer and I want to be tan. I feel like I say this in every video of mine and I'm just not tan. I can't accept it. I know I can't. Then for highlight, I'm going to go ahead and hop into my Royal & Langnickel Highlight and Glow BMD 265 brush. That is literally the biggest mouth I've ever to say. And then with my highlight, which is Luna by Luna in the color Electra, which is such a beautiful pink, frosty color that I'm gonna put on every high point of my face. So obviously you can see that I'm doing my collarbones. I did my tip of my nose, bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, which is right above your lip, and then also your cheekbones. Obviously you want your cheekbones. Every time that sun hits, girl, you wanna be blinding everybody. And then you wanna pop that highlight in your inner corner and brow bone as well. Next for lips, we're gonna go ahead and hop into the Rimmel London Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color in the color Rosetto. I'm just applying that regularly on my lips, nothing too exciting. I just think this is the perfect color to kind of tie together the pink halo look with the blush and the shirt. I'm so happy with how this look turned out. And we're pretty much almost done. The last step that we have to do is set our faces. So with my super dramatic fan that I got from Vegas, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my Rimmel London setting spray and let that dry. And that is it, my lovelies. Okay guys, so that is all I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you try out this look, be sure to post it on your Instagram and tag me. My username is the @ and MakeupAtAriels. And yeah, I am so glad again to be back on YouTube and I really enjoyed filming this look. I'm really excited for my next video because I just bought a lot of makeup, a lot. So be sure to stay tuned for that. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and I'll see you next time, lovelies. Bye!